हेलो दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है अमित भादु और हमने पहली एक अपनी वीडियो में बात करी थी कि जहाँ पर मैं अ मेंटर कैन हेल्प यू मेक द राइट डिसीजन फॉर योर करियर. ओके, सो टुडे वी विल टॉक अबाउट हु इज़ अ मेंटर. Okay, who is a mentor for you? Okay, and why one needs a mentor? Why would you need a mentor? Okay, and how you can find a mentor. So I will cover all these three topics today, and I will help you find the best match for you for your career. Okay, and first of all we will talk about who is a mentor. So mentor कौन हो सकता है आपके लिए? कि mentor आपके लिए अलग definition हो सकती है mentor की, और मेरे लिए एक अलग definition हो सकती है. कैसे? कि जैसे हो सकता है कि आपने 10th पास करी है, आपने 12th पास करी है, या फिर आप एक कॉलेज ग्रेजुएट हो, आपको डायरेक्शन चाहिए. ओके, आपको ये देखना है कि आप किस तरफ जा रहे हो, क्या आप जो कुछ कर रहे हो सब कुछ सही है, क्या आपके मार्क्स के हिसाब से. कभी कभी क्या होता है कि मेंटर्स हमारी फैमिली में ही होते हैं, जैसे कि आपके बड़े भाई अगर हैं. ओके, सो ही इज़ योर मेंटर, ही माइट बी हेल्पिंग यू इन मेकिंग द राइट डिसीजन फॉर योर करियर. ओके, सो आपके बड़े भैया भी आपके मेंटर हो सकते हैं, आपके कोई रिलेटिव भी आपके मेंटर हो सकते हैं जो आपसे करियर में थोड़े से आपसे आगे हैं, जिनको थोड़ा सा एक्सपीरियंस है. ओके, और जो आपको मतलब ये बता सकते हैं कि भला और बुरा आपके लिए क्या है, तो ही इज़ योर मेंटर. तो जो भी आपको ये सही दिशा दिखा सके, सही आपको बता सके कि आपके लिए what is best for you. Okay, not as per his decisions. Okay, because a mentor जो ऑलरेडी मतलब करियर में आगे जा चुका है, तो उसे पता है उसने क्या गलतियां करी थी and which you should not repeat. Okay, जैसे कि आप ये समझ लो, अगर आप कोई करियर में जाना चाहते हो जहां पर मैं वो है एरोनॉटिकल इंजीनियरिंग में, लेट्स जस्ट से, तो सबसे पहले आप चेक करो अपनी फैमिली में किसी ने क्या एरोनॉटिकल इंजीनियरिंग करी है. फिर आप अपने रिलेटिव्स में चेक करो, फ्रेंड्स में चेक करो, अगर किसी ने करी है आप उनको खोजो. ओके, हु कैन हेल्प यू गाइड in selecting the right college, right course, and what all other qualities you need apart from the academic qualifications. क्योंकि सिर्फ एक एकेडमिक मार्क्स होना और या फिर आपके सब्जेक्ट्स में अच्छी पकड़ होना काफ़ी नहीं है. आपको मतलब कम्युनिकेशन वाइज, ओके, अदर स्किल्स इन इंटरेक्टिंग विद अदर पीपल शुड ऑल्सो बी वेरी स्ट्रांग while you are trying to excel in your professional career. So that's what I think is a mentor to you who can help you make the right decision. So he can be anyone, he can be your teacher also. Sometimes if you are going into the education field, you might also select some of the teachers who are doing really great in their subject. Let's just say you want to become a physics teacher, so you go and ask your physics teacher, okay, how he reached that level. Okay, if you want to become someone influencer, okay, if you want to come into the YouTube, so you reach out to someone who is already there on YouTube, who has a channel, okay, and he has like gone from 0 to 10,000 subscribers at least, or even if he has gone to from 0 to 1,000, so that's a journey that he has already taken. Okay, so you have to understand कि आप किस फील्ड में जाना चाहते हो, सबसे पहले आप वो डिसाइड करो, और उस फील्ड में कौन है जो आपको हेल्प कर सकता है. So most of the times it will be the same guy from the field that you want to choose. Okay, but it is not necessary. Okay, if a guy has an experience, let's just say कि अगर किसी की मतलब किसी को 10 से 15 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है, okay, and he has worked on different fields, so now he can also be a mentor to you. It's not necessary कि अगर आप जिस फील्ड में जाना चाहते हो आपको उसी फील्ड का ही कोई एक्सपर्ट चुनना है आपके मेंटोर के लिए. So he or she can be anyone. Okay, a mentor can be anyone who tells you how to take the right direction. Okay, now second question, why would I need a mentor? See, everyone, I would tell you one thing. We have since childhood we have heard one phrase where it says that nobody is perfect, right? So just like that, nobody knows everything. Nobody knows everything, nobody has everything sorted out. Okay, they do not know what they want to do, okay, or what they need to do to get there where they want to be. Okay, so you have to understand, सबके पास में थोड़ी थोड़ी नॉलेज है, कोई किसी चीज़ का एक्सपर्ट है, कोई किसी चीज़ का एक्सपर्ट है, बट हर एक बंदा हर एक चीज़ का एक्सपर्ट नहीं होता है. सो यू नीड टू रीच आउट टू डिफरेंट पीपल एंड डू नॉट हेजिटेट टू रीच आउट टू समवन हु इज आउट ऑफ योर कंफर्ट जोन और आउट ऑफ योर फैमिली और आउट ऑफ योर नोन, ओके, आउट ऑफ योर फ्रेंड्स. यू कैन रीच आउट टू देम. So just like that, why would you need a mentor? Because you are yourself not perfect, okay, you would need someone to help you somewhere you are stuck. Okay, most of the times when we are stuck are the times when we are making decisions which are life changing for us, like choosing the right stream after 10th. Okay, choosing the right stream after 10th, whether I want to go for science, arts or college. At that time, if someone was there to help you, guide you, okay, what is best for you, okay, what is best for you and what is going to work for you in future, and that's where you need a mentor. Maybe in professional career, if you are in your professional career, you want to switch to a different role altogether, okay, whether that is going to work for you or not, whether how what are your expectations you can have, okay, from that upcoming role that you want to take. Okay, so you need mentor in every phase of your life, right from your childhood. Okay, our father is our very first mentor that we get, okay, since the childhood, and our mother is another mentor that we get from birth, okay, and who guides us in the right direction, always keeping our best interests in mind. Okay, so just like that, you also need more mentors in different phases of life once you have like reached a level where you are stuck. And not only your father and mother can help you make the best decision for you, no doubt they have the best interests of you in their mind, but definitely you need someone also, you need some other views also. At that time you need a mentor. Okay, so it can be at any times, like in professional career, in while you are working, that also at that time also you might need a mentor. Okay, you can reach out to your seniors, you can reach out to some industry experts, or at times when you are creating a YouTube channel, at that time also, or if you are studying online. Okay, because studying online yourself alone, you will not have that much dedication. Okay, so you reach out to someone who have cleared many online courses and ask him how did he manage to dedicate that much time, और उसकी dedication इतनी strong उसने कैसे रखी कि वो online अकेला without any monitoring authority, okay, जो उस पर कोई देख नहीं रहा था, उसने कैसे वो online course complete किया. तो उस टाइम आपको किसी एक मेंटर से आप मिल सकते हो और आप उनसे पूछ सकते हो कि कैसे उन्होंने वो किया. So the third part is how you can find a mentor. Definitely once you need that, who is a mentor that you need, okay, and why, when is the time that you need a mentor, then definitely you are going to ask me that, okay, how can I find a mentor? So as in the previous two questions I discussed that mentor can be from your family also, from your relatives also, and from your friends also. But if you do not find anyone who is there to guide you in the right direction, and if you think that you need someone else, then do reach out to the online channels. Okay, you can let's just say you are following someone on Facebook. Okay, you just simply reach out to them, ask for their help, they might help you. Okay, if you're following someone on Instagram and you are an influencer yourself, but you want to collab with them, okay, and you want to learn from them, along with collaboration you also want to learn from them, that how did they reach that much level of followers, or how did they are creating so beautiful content. So you reach out to them and understand from them. Okay, and the other great way, okay, if you are looking at your professional life and you want to bring change in yourself, and you think that there is some professional or there is some guy from one particular profession or one's from particular industry who can help you, then I think LinkedIn is the best option for you. What you can do is you can simply log into LinkedIn, search for the professions, okay, that you are interested in, and search for the people, okay, who are doing really great at their profession, okay, and reach out to them, send them personalized invite, okay, and in the invite just mention that I am seeking some help, I am seeking some kind of guidance, and I see that you are doing a great job in this so and so role or in so and so company, and you are very frequently sharing your insights and knowledge on the LinkedIn. That's what I have observed. So would it be okay for you to share some of your insights and guide me in my career decision too? Okay, so right out of the 10 invites that you're going to send, I think 5 to 7 people would easily accept your invite. Okay, and if they are really active on LinkedIn and they know and they have the knowledge, then definitely they are going to help you. Okay, so this is how you can find a mentor. You can reach out to your family, friends, you can reach out to the influencer that you are more influenced by, okay, and they might themselves like come back to you and they might help you. That's how they have done. Okay, and that's how you can also do. Or you can, the best option is always LinkedIn. So this is what I have covered for mentor. I wish you all the best in finding the right mentor for you, and you get the best directions from them. Thank you.